Hi guys, Sagar here. Hope you understood the previous one. Today we have the fourth question of exercise 11.3. So it says if tan A equal to cotB, where A and B are acute angles, then prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. So they are saying tan A is equal to cotB. But we know one formula that tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Therefore, if I can apply this, so let's say if I reciprocal this, then cot theta would be tan 90 minus theta. Therefore, I can write cot B as tan 90 minus B. Therefore, if I substitute the cot B is equal to tan 90 minus B, therefore I would get tan A is equal to tan 90 minus B. If tan A equal to tan B, then obviously A is equal to B. Since here tan A is equal to tan 90 minus B, A is equal to 90 minus B. So if I bring minus B towards the left hand side, then I would get A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. That's it. Understood the question. Subscribe for more such solutions. Thank you.